Moyo wangu hauwezi kukusifu kweli, ila sifa zangu hizi Bwana zikubali. Umetenda, 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 tena umetenda. Warabikoze, 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 kandi warabikoze. So my names are Dr. IPYANA Kibona, all the way from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. I'm here as the response of invitation by Rebel Health Ministries and Alina Bintu. So we are having a very big worship experience by the name of God, in God's presence. So I'm excited to be in Rwanda. This is my first time, but people are welcoming, and I've just appreciated the way the team is catching up. We have used very few hours to catch up with my songs, and I know my music is a bit hard, and I'm really surprised the way they've catched up with my music, and I'm excited to be here. I believe God that this is not my first time to be here. I'll come, and I'll come again and again. Yeah. No, I actually I didn't know that these people know my music to this extent. So it has been a very good surprise to me. Yeah. I only one word. I'm here just to create a platform where people can meet God and worship Him. You know, I think I'm called just to create a platform where God can be seen to His people. And I believe that when people see their God, they can just pour their love and respect to Him. Now I'm just using music to do that. So that's all I can say. Uh, I mean, through my visit, I mean, in Rwanda. Yeah. Actually, I have 3 albums. Uh, I've been in music more than 15 years, but actually, I decided now to do official, like to do 100% music. I mean, I started doing 100% music since last year when I recorded my latest album called Ibada 2018. Ibada means worship, like expression of love and deep respect to God. So that's the current album. The first album was recorded when I was in medical school, uh, one of the medical school in Tanzania called Muimbili. The second one was recorded. It was just a compilation of many songs that I was recording here and there, and was compiled early last year. So last year I did 2 albums, the audio and the now live recorded album. Yeah. Uh, I know a lot of people, they can say they have challenges in terms of finances, in terms of maybe discipline, time management, but the biggest challenge I've been experiencing in this ministry, I call it ministry, is to obey God, just to paste the real picture which God has shown you when you were maybe praying, or when He introduced the vision to you. That has been a very challenge to me. That's why I don't normally get excited when God tells me that you have to do maybe this song, because I know I have to follow each and every step toward accomplish, and then toward the completion of whatever He has put in my heart. So that man has been very challenge to me, but I thank God He has been enabling me to accomplish whatever He has been saying to me. Yeah. So I'm really not well exposed in Rwanda, but I know my friend. I had a call like a few months ago called Gentles. Yeah, he wanted to me and him to do something in the near future. So that's the only musician I knew back then. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. So you mean you know the secular guys? Hmm. Now you have just answered. You know, we have a very good content back in Tanzania. But the thing is, people are not pushing enough. Like you guys are pushing. I see also Nairobi, Kenya, are pushing their music, regardless, regardless of it being a gospel or secular. They really use media to push their music. But I think it's time for us also gospel in Tanzania to push our content. That's why you now experience my music because uh, for 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 you guys to invite me here, it's because of whatever I put on my YouTube channel. That's why I'm here. So it's kind of effort made, which eventually led you guys to invite me. So I think it's not more of secular now. The wave is changing because even when you come to our country, gospel is now celebrated more than secular. Uh, you know, no, I didn't. My intention is not to promote my music actually, but I think through whatever is happening on Sunday, a lot of people will know my music. So I think that's the only channel to promote it. But second, I thank God because you guys from media now are coming to make different interviews, and I know eventually my music will be known to this part. Yeah. Let's just come and I was telling my team just a few minutes ago that if we decide to do something for God, let's do it in a God's way. So if we are doing gospel, let's go full into gospel and let us do it in a worship way. So I pray that everyone who is listening to this, who is watching to this, let's come together and let's create a platform, an altar where God is going to be worshipped in another level. And I'm sure He is going to meet everyone needs as we are raising our voice to worship Him. Yeah, thanks a lot. Nashangazwa na pendo lako vile ulivyo kwangu, wema wako wazidi yote, wanishangaza, wanishangaza. I like this song and I just released it on my YouTube channel by Dr. IPYANA. The inspiration behind this song is just the love of God. Uh, it came a time when I started just wondering how God is good in my life. And these words started coming in and the melody, and I find myself blasting in His presence. And I recorded it last year around June, went to South Africa, do mixing and mastering it with a couple of talented guys, my music director, Mitchell, the keys was Victor, and the bass guitar man, Steve. the lead Nahum, and it was recorded in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, one of the famous church called Capstone Fellowship. So God is good, and as you continue to enjoy this interview, please, you can go to my also YouTube channel, subscribe, and enjoy this song. You are blessed. Have a wonderful time.